Hey guys, welcome to Ma222 OL7. This is a fully online class. So I want to give you a brief introduction to our Blackboard course and also show you how to register with the Lumen, which is our homework system. So let's walk through the entire course really quickly in our Blackboard course. First of all, if you click on announcement, I give you some background information on the course also and overall information. And also, the second thing is we are using a free online platform called Lumen Home Website. This is a free platform, so you don't have to pay for it. And also, if you click on this web link right here, it will take you to the Lumen website. Okay. And later, I'm going to show you how to register with our homework system. So now let's look at the syllabus really quickly. If you click on the syllabus, and let's open the syllabus really, and then go through this. Okay, so Ma222 section OL7, that's our course and section number, and statistical analysis. That's my name, email address. And also, this is 3 credit courses, and also the course ID. That's one of the important thing, right? So I want you to copy this course ID, okay, and then go to this website below it, and that's our Lumen online platform. Click on it, it will take us to the Lumen homework system. Now I'm going to click on enroll in a new course, okay. And also right here under the course ID, you're going to paste it, right? 70263. You can leave the enrollment key blank. We don't need that, and then just click on enroll. I'm going to see this is Ma222 section OL7 fully online, Spring 23, and then teacher is myself, so that's good. And from here you can just click on enroll, right? And then from there they're going to ask you to create a if you have never used the Lumen website before, you can create a login. And right here select the username. This is username and then password. Okay. And confirm password, put your first last name, and use the email address. You can use a FIT email address or your personal email address, whichever you feel more comfortable. And check I've read and agree to the terms and use. And from there, submit, right? And your account will be successfully created. Now, once you create an account, then you can log in. You can go to home page. Let's go to home page here. And let's log in the system. Let me show you what it looks like in our homework system. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to see Ma222 section OL7 fully online. Now, if you scroll down, you see all the homework assignments, quizzes, midterm and finals are posted here. So this homework assignment below that, it's a due date, right? So you're going to have a homework assignment due on January 31st. That's orientation homework, so it help you, get some understanding, get some basic information about the homework system here. And then starting on chapter 1, you're going to have one homework assignment and one quiz. And after recording all the lecture videos, lots of lecture videos and also PowerPoint. And so on a weekly basis, you go over the lecture videos and then PowerPoint. Then you can start working on a homework assignment from there. And so all the homework assignments are listed here, as well as quiz, also the midterm. So for all the homework assignments, you can try as many times as possible, and then the high score will be counted, right? For the quiz, there are 3 chances, and again, the high score will be counted. And for the midterm, you have 2 chances, meaning you can take it twice, and then the highest score will be counted. I also give you a practice midterm exam. So if you go over this practice midterm exam, you're going to have a very good idea of the actual midterm. So you'll be able to do well if you prepare thoroughly. Same thing for the final exam, right? Very similar. You have trials and use a practice final to prepare for the actual final exam. That's pretty much everything in our homework system. And also I post the textbook. This is Introductory Business Statistics textbook by OpenStax. This is again open source textbook. You need to use that, go for it, as well as a formula sheet. And let's go back to the let me finish the syllabus really quickly. So you need either a scientific calculator or Microsoft Excel, right? If you if you have an embedded calculator in your computer, you can also use that. Either one of these will work. We are using this Introductory Statistics by OpenStax, this open source textbook. So in terms of grade distribution, we are allocating 40% towards the homework, 20% assigned to quizzes, midterm and final exam. Each one is worth 20%. And then course description, we're going to cover 9 chapters. Many deal with the descriptive statistics, measure of center variation, probability theorem, random variables, binomial distribution, normal distribution, measure of the central tendency and dispersion, sampling distribution, estimation and confidence interval, also hypothesis testing, correlation regression. Those are the major topics. And also if you are student with a disability, right? If you register with Feedable Office, you should email me, identify yourself with the documentation so I can provide with the proper accommodation for you. And also there's no plagiarism, right? You cannot get help on homework, quizzes, and midterm finals, right? You have to do all of the work independently. And then those are the outline of topics, right? We cover 9 chapters. Introduction to stats, that's first chapter 1. Chapter 2, organizing and analyzing data. Chapter 3, measure of the center variations. Chapter 4 is probability. Chapter 5, discrete probability distribution. Chapter 6 is normal distribution and central limit theorem. Chapter 7 is confidence intervals. Chapter 8, hypothesis testing. Chapter 10, regression and correlation. So in general, if you need some extra help, you can contact Academic Skills Tutoring Center, and they provide a Mac-Tutoring service for you. Also, please complete your homework, quizzes, exams on time, and also email me if you have any questions throughout the semester. Again, since it's fully online course, we do not have a weekly meeting, right? We do not have a scheduled weekly meeting. And also, I hope you guys enjoy this course. Also, I want to mention the formula sheet. So all the formulas you need is in this formula sheet throughout the entire semester. It's organized by the chapter. So starting on chapter 3, you're going to do some formulas to tackle some problems and then complete homework assignments, quizzes. And you're allowed to use a formula sheet and calculator or Excel in all the homework, quizzes, and then exams. Also, in the back of the formula sheet, there are a couple of tables. Starting on chapter 6, you're going to need table A2, which is the table to look up the probability values. And in chapter 7, you're going to start using the table 3, right? T table. And those two are the important tables to have. And also, I provide a course schedule, course guide. So on this course guide actually give you some breakdown of the weekly task, homework assignments on Lumen, and quizzes due on Lumen, right? And follow this closely. It's consistent with the due date from our homework system. Okay. I also list the midterm and final date here, right? So you can finish that as well. And what else? Lecture videos and PowerPoint, right? So basically, all the lecture videos have been provided. Starting on chapter 1, we're going to have a lecture videos. So they're all YouTube video. You can go over them as many times as you want. Also, together with the PowerPoint. So on a weekly basis, you can go over PowerPoint, lecture videos. If you still feel like reading more material, you can read over the textbook if you like it. And when you finish all this review and get a basic understanding of each chapter, then you can go to our homework system and start working on the homework assignments and the quizzes. That's basically the weekly routine. Yeah. And every chapter has several lecture videos. Always use them before start working on the homework assignments. And again, I'm here to help you. If you have any question, please feel free to email me. I'll get back to your email. And sometimes if you need some help, I can set up office hours so we can meet up via virtually, so we can talk about your issues and help you navigate through the course. I hope you enjoy the course, and